Good morning. I wasn't really planning on vlogging today, but I pulled out the camera because I woke up to my messy room still and I was like, you know what? I've been trying so hard to be kind of slow about furniture shopping because I want to buy like the perfect furniture, and I kind of want to invest in because I don't need a lot of furniture in my room, I just need a couple. I was hoping to plan it carefully so I can actually keep that furniture after this dorm and keep it for the next 5-10 years, but I just don't have the luxury for that right now. I'm a college student, I need the space to be organized, I don't want to spend $500 on furniture, so I need to figure that out today, or start to figure that out today. Currently making breakfast. I found a really good sandwich place near my house and I was gonna go there, but then I was like, you know what, I have to go furniture shopping. I'm probably gonna be spending money, so I should probably save on food because I already have food at home. So I'm making myself a sandwich at home. Got this new clip yesterday. Hopefully I find some good things. I think I'm gonna try hitting up the thrift stores and then Home Goods, TJ Maxx, and then my final choice will be Target because I do have some stuff that I have my eyes on at Target, but if I could find cooler things or similar things for a cheaper price, I'd rather have that. So that's the game plan. I have two goals for today. It is to find tall, long black boots, which I know is random for in the middle of the summer, but I've been wanting to buy boots that I can wear with summer dresses. I care a lot about silhouettes and the shape of how everything looks, and I just don't like having my entire leg out whenever I wear dresses. So I want to look for boots that I can wear in the summer, preferably long black boots that's not too tight because that's gonna trap in sweat. And then I'm gonna do some furniture shopping. So I have a whole list of places to go. Hopefully I can hit all of them without getting too tired. And yeah, let's head there. But a little OOTD, by far Billy bag that I carry everywhere. It's in patent leather khaki because a lot of people are asking. This tank is from Abercrombie. The shorts are Denim Forum from Aritzia. And then my shoes are the Doc Martens 1461 smooth leather loafers. And then these socks I got from Urban in Paris and I love them. I am so into wearing white socks with black loafers because it kind of dresses up any outfit. Today I'm just wearing a tank top and shorts, but with the socks and shoes combination, I feel more fancy. I look so tan today, probably because of the shirt. But yesterday I went to the Jerv Avenue and MEJ pop-up. Also I'm wearing a different hair clip that I got. I got 3 hair accessories. I got there at 9:30 and the store was supposed to open at 10, but there was such a long line. I think we waited for 2.5 hours just to get in. But while we're waiting, they gave us this Jerv Avenue fan to use while we're waiting, and they also gave us the Jerv Avenue branded canned water, which is adorable, and I kind of want to be a part of planning all this fun events. So if any brands want to work with me and hire me, I promise you, you will not regret. I love planning parties. Accomplished my shopping mission a little bit too fast today, so I'm kind of in awe because whenever I'm looking for something and I come offline shopping, I never find it or I spend hours looking for it. But today the first place I walked into was Neiman Marcus Last Call, which is their outlet, and I found the boots. I didn't have to go anywhere else.
So I'm very happy about it, and also I'm just so glad that I found the perfect pair of boots, because I was kind of thinking about just walking into like H&M and buying a pair that's only like $30-40, which is on the cheaper side of long boots. And I could do that if I was really desperate, because I'm sure they have trendy styles like that there, but then if you're looking at it long term, I would rather spend a little bit more and get a pair that I could wear for years. But then I didn't want to spend like $870 on Prada long boots, which I saw in there and I was like, this is cute, but like I don't want to pay that much, and it also wasn't in the best condition. So I got the pair of boots that I first tried on for $120, and the original price is like $350, which is a great deal in my eyes. And when it comes to investing in pieces like this, I really try my best to make sure that I'm not paying for the name brand, that I'm actually paying for the quality and the design, because sometimes when I'm shopping in places like this, I come across like a pair of shoes and I think this could be cute, and I like kind of like dig around, and then I realize that it's from Balenciaga and I'm like, actually this is really cute. But then we all know that's not really the design, that's just the name brand. And I've been there, like I've paid way too much money just for my bag to say Balenciaga, but I don't think I'm into that anymore, and I'm trying very hard to stay away from that, even though sometimes it's really hard. I almost bought a pair of Prada loafers that's like $1,000 just because it says the Prada on the top part, but I stayed away. Also, I don't think I would ever pay $1,000 for a pair of loafers. Maybe in the future, but not right now. I like my Doc Martens, and they're only $110. Not even only, like even this, I contemplated getting it for so long, but it's honestly one of the best shoe purchases I've ever made. So I'm now gonna go to Costa Mesa and go to this really cool vintage store. It's more like a curated vintage store, so it's more expensive than other vintage / thrift stores, but I feel like they might have cool stuff for me to dig through for my friend's birthday gift. So I'm gonna go there, and then I'm gonna go to CB2 and some other like furniture places nearby so I can check that out. I'm going to an Espa showcase today, and I'm gonna get started with getting ready. I just like had my brunch though, but I'm gonna head to LA earlier, meet up with a friend, hang out, and then head to the showcase. So I need some help with my outfit. I have two options. I'm not really sure what I'm feeling today, but let me show you the choices. This is the first option, this royal blue dress, which is a very big statement piece for me. I can do a blazer with the blue because I think I like this color combination, like this. Or to match the black, I can do a bolero cardigan trick. You just button that up and you wear it, just the arms, like this. So there's that. Or I just do what I did yesterday, which is just this tan dress, black boots, the bag, and then when it gets cold, I can just throw this sweater on top. Here's the finished look. I kind of don't like doing sleeked back hair with this new hair color because the hair color in the bottom are darker, so when I slick it back, it kind of like doesn't look that great, but that's fine. I just wanted to do a fancy hairdo for today, but it's the look. I've been running around all morning trying to pick up everything that I ordered online, buying food, and now I'm just taking a little break, eating my mangoes before I put all my furniture together. But I'm really excited for my furniture to be put together and my room to be organized. Okay, let's do this. I am really bad at following instructions. I know you're probably like, how could you be bad at following instructions? But I just get so distracted
hopefully I can do this by myself without any trouble. It's a glass panel, which I feel like I should put to the side. That's the name of the desk, if you're wondering. This is kind of therapeutic though. I like it. I think the best plan is to do this like all lightly, and then once everything is in place, you go back and then make it super tight, because if you end up making a mistake but you already screwed on the screw super tight, it's really hard to fix. So we're just going to do it so it stays in place but not like super, you know, secured. I think we're done. On to my next furniture. We're now building this cube shelf. I'm guessing the process will be fairly similar. This little shot glass that my friend got me.